In this video, I will show you how to buy Brett with Coinbase. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, at the moment, you cannot directly buy Brett on Coinbase. And the reason being is it's part of the Base network, which is currently not available on Coinbase. So to actually go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is come across to the official website, which is basedbrett.com. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to see this blue Buy Brett button. What we can actually do is connect our Coinbase wallet and we can use this to go ahead and trade Ethereum to buy Brett. So what we're going to do from here is come down to the bottom and you're going to see this blue button which says connect wallet. Go ahead and give that a click. And as you can see, there's a few wallets to choose from. You can see Coinbase is just up here. So if you go ahead and click onto Coinbase, what's going to happen, it's going to bring up a QR code like this. And what you now need to do is scan this with your mobile device. So here we are on my phone. Now what I've done, I've scanned that QR code and as you can see we've got this authorization screen for dBridge Finance, which is basedbrett.com. So what you need to do now is come down and press the blue allow button to connect your wallet to dBridge Finance, which is of course BaseBrett. And once you've done that, you can just press done and come back to your computer. So here we are back on the BaseBrett website. So you can see now that we have connected our wallet, but I've currently got no Ethereum in my Coinbase wallet. So you want to make sure that you have got Ethereum that you've purchased through the Base network. And once you've done that, you can come back to this screen once you've connected your wallet, your Coinbase wallet to here, and you can just put the amount that you want to trade through. So say for example, we wanted to trade 20 Ethereum and it's going to tell you the amount of Brett that you're going to receive. Of course, if you do have enough available funds, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom. You're going to see the blue confirm trade button here. So you want to click onto that and that's going to go ahead and confirm the trade using your Ethereum in your Coinbase. So that is how to buy Brett with Coinbase. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.